Gold. Gold and silver are rocking and rolling. Now let's talk about, is it the right time to be in gold? How many of you are trading gold right now? Right now, I'm actually trading Jnug. Let me tell you, my Jnug trade, let me tell you what my Jnug trade is doing today. I am up, Jnug, I'm up 14% today. Look at that. I'm up 14%, 14.3% on my Jnug trade today. So now, anybody who's trading gold, is it the right time to be in gold? Is it, oh, how about this? Prime Minister Boris Johnson released from intensive care. Thank God for that. All right, that was the biggest leader, I believe, out there who not only caught the COVID-19, but was intensive care. So glad to see that breaking news that he is out of intensive care. Gold is back above 1,700. Charts suggest an even bigger rally. I won't even read the story. Let's go to the videotape. Warner Wolf. You remember that? Was that Warner Wolf? All right, but anyway, let's go take a look and see what gold looks like. Let's go back to my watch list. I only have one gold stock in here, the Spiders Gold Shares. Now, because it's an ETF, the price and the value will always be the same. The relative value and relative safety will always be at 1. It's tough to manage or track the relative value, relative safety on an ETF. But what's the big thing here? It's the RT, or the short-term price trend, is above 1. Gold is in an uptrend, all right? And it's a buy recommendation. So I'm going to take a look at this stock first. Let's do that. Let's take a look at this stock first. Is it the right time to be in gold? Holy smokes. Put this on a 3-month graph. Look at that. Nicely above the 20-day. And you know, with the strength of the dollar or the weakness of the dollar back and forth, it's been a little bit of a choppy ride. It really, really has. But look at the gold ETF. Right now is challenging the 3-month high, which occurred on March 9th. The high of gold, the GLD, was at 159.37, and right now we're at 157.88. I would definitely love to see it above, but if you traded it moving above the 20-day, and look at that, one big down day and then one back above, follow through, still moving higher, love it. So gold might be a good place to go. Let's do this. I've got a watch list full of gold stocks right here called gold stocks. All right, in that watch list of gold stocks, I have currently 47 stocks. What makes this list? The stocks have to be at least $1, and they have to be trading at least 100,000 shares average volume. All right, and at any given time, let's say we look at the futures like we do in the Jockey Club, and you see that gold is moving up. If I have this watch list of stocks, I can sort by percent price change, and I can take advantage of whichever gold stock is moving up that day. Today, CDE, Coeur Mining, up 18% today. Cisco Mining, up 13%, and so on and so forth. But if I can run this watch list of stocks earlier in the morning and sort by percent price change, and especially knowing that gold is on the rise, I could make a lot of money really quick. Now, I'm going to take this as a different scenario. These are 47 stocks, right? Notice at the bottom of my watch list, I have a watch list average right here. I have a watch list average. If I right-click on that watch list average, I can view the average of all 47 stocks in one graph. And as a whole, I can see that that listing of stocks is starting to run higher. Now, what is it also doing? Moving sideways. That makes sense. Is gold totally broken out and started running rampant? Not yet, but I can see that overall, those 47 stocks as a whole are above the 20-day exponential moving average, but it is doing a little bit of sideways mumbo. So can I play gold? Yes, but be very careful with it. All right, yes, I'm in Jnug, but I have a stop on Jnug to make sure I manage the position. So we had an opportunity to look at one gold stock, GLD, which is in the S&P, and then the watch list of stocks that I've created. Again, 47 stocks. Every stock's got to be at least $1, and the average volume on these stocks has to be at least 100,000 shares. That's how I comprise that watch list of gold stocks. I notice silver's in here moving up as nicely as well. MAG up 10.4%. 17%. Pan American Silver, PAAS, up 9%, and so on and so forth. So I'm looking at gold and silver in one watch list. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Now, if you're new to the software or would like refresher information about the software, click on this Getting Started video right here. Thanks to all of your input, here's a YouTube video that we think would be perfect for you. Click right here. If nothing else, folks, just hit the subscribe button right here.